Dalawang bagong scooter ni FKM, gaano nga ba kaganda at ka-affordable? Alam nyo ba na kamakailan lang ay may panibagong motor na naman na nirelease si FKM? Haven't heard it yet? Well, now you know. So para sa mga kagulong natin na mahilig sa mga retro style na automatic o mas preferred yung mga motor na madaling sakyan, elegante yung datingan pero budget friendly at the same time, well, ito na marahil ang motor na para sa'yo. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for FKM Juke 150 and FKM Space 150. Sila ay mga modern retro scooter na very stylish yung overall design. Just look at it. Fuel injected na sila, equipped ng isang single-cylinder air-cooled engine, 4-stroke 2-valve automatic transmission. Pa-full LED na sila pareho, naka-digital gauge, illuminated switches, USB port, top box bracket, disc brake sa harap, and many more. Ibang klase talaga ang datingan ng dalawang bagong scooter na to by FKM Motorcycle. Looks pa lang kayang-kaya talagang ipangtapat sa mga counterparts nila. So if you think that one of these is the perfect scooter for you, you could take home the FKM Juke 150 for only 86,000 pesos. And for the FKM Space 150, that is only 78,000 pesos SRP. Yes, you heard it right. In less than 80 to 90k lang, magkakaroon ka na ng isang modern retro scooter na may napaka-solid na disenyo, komportabling sakyan, head-turner sa kalsada, and since it is a classic style scooter, you can enjoy the timeless fashion that comes within. And that's a great value for money. PBL on the here at Respeto Agulong. Thank you so much FKM Motorcycle Philippines, confident in every ride.
We are FKM! Sama, we are FKM!